What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a great day as always. Today we're talking about some option contracts I put through on Clne and how we can use the Reddit hype in the trading volume and to maximize our profits on options. So today I'm going to talk about how to quickly scalp some options. So as you saw, I was already up $147 at the end of the day. Trading day yesterday. Now, this contract went for about $390, but if we can look at the max contract, I can see that it took a big downfall and recovered quite nicely. Now, we obviously saw a huge spike, but it kind of leveled off. So we got this $8 call on Clne just to scalp it. Looking at this chart here, the 5-day chart, I see that it's kind of undervalued, this option, and it's sitting right in the middle of its previous peak. Now, the thing I like about this is I knew there was a lot of volume and hype around these options and around the stock in general. So I knew we could get a little bit of a pump in the morning. And as you can see here, we did just that. 8% the stock took off in the opening. And that is great news for my option. That is all we needed, was that little spike. This is the 5-day chart. As you can see, we leveled off in the middle, got that little spike at the end of the week, and that's exactly what I was going for with this option, to scalp a couple dollars. Now, what's insane about this option is it didn't just scalp a couple dollars, it scalped a few $100, because as our strike price was at $8, Clne ran all the way up to 12. And the crazy thing you can see about this is the premiums on this play. Now, I'll refresh it here in a second. But the one thing I do with options is play the momentum and get these high premiums. Now, 37% gain in the matter of 10 minutes of market open. As I refresh here, you see now it's all the way up to $475 in between the bid and the ask price. That is crazy gains, considering I bought this for $346. And as you can see here, I ended up getting 41% return, $432. I actually bought the contracts for $346. And I sold the contracts for $490. I bought 3 of them. If you do that math, that's about $144 per contract. Considering I bought 3 of them, that is a $432 profit off of one trade that took me 10 minutes. Please like and subscribe if you guys like this content and want more. I will do more videos on Clne. Great day today. I hope you guys made your gains and listened to me in the last video, as I knew this stock had a lot of hype and had a lot of momentum behind it. And that makes the option chains happy and makes you happy as a trader when you are right and you see that option and that stock go up to what you expected it to go to. Other than that, guys, I'm out. Peace.